Auto Assessment 2024. SARS has made it easy for you. Are you auto-assessed? If yes, there is no need to visit a SARS branch. SARS has done it for you. The auto-assessment is the process that eliminates the need to complete a personal income tax return, because pre-populated information is available to SARS from third-party institutions and used by SARS to determine your tax liability or your tax refund. SARS automatically assess and use taxpayers' information received from third parties. Third-party data information providers include employers, financial institutions, medical schemes, retirement annuity fund administrators, and other third-party data providers to generate the assessment automatically without any input from the taxpayer. Remember, only a selected group of individual taxpayers will be auto-assessed by SARS. If you are selected for an auto-assessment, SARS will send a SMS or an email from the 1st up to the 14th of July 2024, informing you that you were auto-assessed. The next step for you is to view your auto-assessment on SARS e-filing or on the SARS Mobi app. To inquire if you were auto-assessed, visit the SARS online query system, SOX, at www.sars.gov.za and select My Auto-Assessment Status. If you agree with your auto-assessment, you do not need to do anything. If you qualify for a refund, SARS will refund you within 72 hours, if your banking details are valid and you are tax compliant. However, if you owe SARS money, payment must be made before the due date that is reflected on the Notice of Assessment, also known as the ITA 34, to avoid penalties. To pay SARS, use SARS e-filing, SARS Mobi app and your bank to make payments. What if you do not agree with the auto-assessment calculation? You can simply open your income tax return ITR 12 form on SARS e-filing or SARS Mobi app. Complete the ITR 12 form with the correct or updated information and file it on or before the due date of the 21st of October 2024 for all the non-provisional taxpayers. Hashtag stay informed. Hashtag happy filing. Hashtag your tax matters. SARS. At your service.